In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and share an office manual in Notion. Whether you're working in a bustling startup or a well-established corporation, having a centralized office manual can be a game changer. It ensures that everyone on your team has access to the same information, fostering consistency and clarity across the board. To kick things off, we'll start by creating an office manual homepage. Open Notion and create a new page. Let's title it Office Manual. This serves as the foundation of your manual where everything will be organized and easily accessible. Consider this page as the gateway to all essential information regarding your office operations. Next, we'll add links to major sections. These sections will function as the backbone of your manual, covering key areas anyone in your organization might need to refer to. Start by creating a section for the company overview. This is where you'll lay out the basics of your company's mission, vision, and values. It's a great way to introduce new team members to what your organization stands for. Now let's add a team directory. This section is incredibly useful for maintaining efficient communication within the organization. Here you can list each team member's role, contact information, and perhaps a little bit about their responsibilities or expertise. This can be a lifesaver, especially in larger organizations. Moving on to another crucial section. Policies. This is where you'll document policies related to conduct, leaves, work hours, etc. Having all policies in one place helps in setting clear expectations and avoiding any misunderstandings. Let's not forget about the SOPs, or standard operating procedures. These are step-by-step instructions for all types of tasks and processes within the company. Whether it's onboarding a new client or executing routine maintenance, SOPs ensure everyone knows exactly how to do their part efficiently. Then, create a section for tools and software. List all the tools your team utilizes, complete with instructions or links to guides. This is especially helpful when onboarding new employees or introducing new tools to your team. Don't overlook training resources. Build a repository of valuable learning materials, from introductory courses to advanced webinars. This reinforces a culture of continuous growth and learning within your organization. Finally, a section for FAQs can address any common queries about the company's operations. It's a good spot for logging questions that come up frequently and providing quick resolutions. Once your office manual is structured, it's time to make it accessible to your team. Click on Share within Notion and invite your team members, ensuring everyone has access to this centralized knowledge base. Remember to set appropriate permissions based on roles. Some may need view-only access, while others might require the ability to comment or edit. By following these steps, you've created a comprehensive office manual in Notion. This resource can significantly streamline operations, reduce confusion, and support your team in collaborating more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and happy manual building.